my channel again. And for those who are new in my channel, my name is Liz. Yeah, and today is another exciting unboxing I am going to do for you guys. And yeah, I'm very happy I got all this stuff that I ordered from eBay. And there's one box that is very big, which is the laptop desk. And I cannot assemble that right now, but I will just open it for you guys so that you can see it. Yeah, and also some parcels I got here for my beauty routine and other stuff. And I'm sorry guys, there is one parcel that I opened already because I could not wait to see it. Well, but I included here as well so that you can see also. And yeah, let's start guys so that you can see everything what I got here. Alright guys, here are the parcels I got, and also the bigger one is the laptop desk. Yeah, and I'm going to unbox this one first for you, but I cannot assemble that right now because I need a hand to assemble that. And maybe I will do another separate vlog for that so that you can see how we assembled it. Yeah, so let's open guys and enjoy watching. those are the stuff that I got from eBay, guys. And now I have here the one that I got. So I'm going to try it on for you guys. So let's see how it looks like. And yeah, let's play. I like to play different type of color of hair and different styles. So that's why I ordered different style of hair in eBay. Yeah, let's try it on. Okay guys, I got my long thick black hair. Look. So I put on my beanie because it doesn't look good without a beanie, so I put on beanie so it looks better. Yeah, so I got this one hair oil. Yeah, this hair oil is for my hair as well, and I will use this also for my hair so that my hair gets better and better. And also this one is aloe vera gel. I got this one, and I will make another vlog for this so that you can see what I'm going to do, because I found a new stuff to put on my shampoo and conditioner to make my hair thicker also. So that's another trick that I'm going to do, guys. And I will mix this and this hair oil together. So I will make another vlog, guys, so that you can see, because I have seen this one also in another YouTube channel, and it looks like it will work on my hair. So I really want to get a thick and more volume hair, so like this. Yeah, and let's see if it works. Yeah, and then this one I got another eyebrow pencil. Yeah, and this is a dark brown, so let's try this one. And I love drawing my eyebrow. Yeah, and this one is butt lifter. So let's see also if this works also. Yeah, I keep trying stuff that can enhance my body, my beauty. Yeah, and I just keep going and doing stuff that can help. And also that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone enjoyed my video. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again next vlog. I love you all. Bye.